Manalangin tayo. Ay.
Subi. Parang excited doon. Mamili ka na lang kung saan gusto mo. Mababa ka nila.
Oo, madumi, mabaho.
Tapos doon nakatingin. Walang abens eh.
Kaparty ka namin.
Ay, puta. Ma! Ang alat!
Nakalimutan ko mong sunscreen.
Sunscreen ulit? Alas 4 na. Let's go to the beach! Let's go get a place!
Pulled me back to that McDonald's, took it to my stash spot. Streets down E Street, off driving so smooth. I know you. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Sa puso mo, Rodrigo. We love you, Jaya. Love you, Jaya. Underneath the chandelier, we're dancing on.
Anong word? Ano yun? Kasi ako nawa. Ang taas na. Dumating na bago.
Bakit namimik mo?
Kaya mo mag-finger, no?
People killing, people dying, genocide in here and crying. Certain practice what you preach, and certain all that she. Father, help us if the God is from above. We got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where's the love? The love. That's supposed to be. Hey, when we're young and wild and free, giving blank and win. Bakla dito ka? Mag-isa ka dyan? May nanalo na.
The first one.
My friend!
Ayaw ko kasi mag-English eh.
Is that friend? First one who finished the cocktail win. Ito naman English na lang First one who finished the drink.
Finish your drink is the winner, okay?
The winner. Okay, go.
The first one to finish the drink
Ano man?
will be the winner of 1 tower. Yes.
Go bakla!
In a way, I can never do well, but I want you by my side on my all day.
Pating. Bakla! Gago! Ano lasa?
Ay, tingnan mo.
You know I'm a fool, I don't even care. I want you to listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so cold.
Ako'y nalilita sa umpisa. Hindi mo ko pilitin.
I'm winning at the same time losing.
Meron ka ka lemon, gusto ko tequila. Tapos ko mag-shot, sipsipin mo aking bila. Hey. Just do it, do it, do it.
So, atin nag-isang babae. So, interview mo natin kung anong pangalan. Anong pangalan mo ate? Wow, Zen. Ang sosyal ng pangalan. Ito tayo kay contestant number 2. Pangalan? Sa umaga.
Maki.
Ang layo ah. Bossy! Pero okay na. Zen, ito. Contestant number 3. Ems. Parehas sa umaga sa gabi. Ganun din. Ah, okay. Si tatay. Kuya, anong pangalan ni Kuya? Arnil, okay. Isa-isa tayo guys. So, alam nyo na yung mechanics. Basta mag-work lang yung nagagawin nyo, okay? Yeah, DJ, drop it there.
I got this girl, she don't go to school. I got this girl, she don't go to work because she twerk, cause she twerk, cause she twerk.
4, 3, 2, 1. And that's right, that's our contestant number 1. So contestant number 2, nasaan na? Yan. So DJ, you're ready? Okay, one more time. Contestant number 2, are you ready?
She don't go to school.
That's right.
I got this girl, she don't go to work because she twerk.
Oh, that's right. Come on, contestant number 2. Asa si contestant number 3? Yeah, punta kay contestant number 3. Are you ready? Are you ready? DJ, drop it there.
I got this girl, she don't go to school. I got this girl, she don't go to work because she twerk, cause she twerk. I got this girl.
Asa si Kuya?
Ang ina nyo! Ang galing!
This girl, she don't go to school.
Love you, sis! Ang ina!
Okay, kaya mo yan, Kuya.
Ang galing mo din! Tama! Na, Bepasen! Diba, I told you guys! Ang ina, pambato ko, gagi! Maniwala kayo! Ilalabang ko to! Ang husay mo!
Oh, so guys, meron tayong pahabol na contestant.
I'm not ready for being loved. I need more time, a little more. I'm not ready for being loved. I'm walking home, I'm walking home. I've never been this.
We keep it rockin' till she say yeah. Turn it up, mash it up. We gotta fall in love.
A little more. I'm not ready for being loved. I'm walking home.
This one is for the boys with the
Boom, it's in the top shot. They see what the coolest is. We don't put up in a club, we been blazing up. Got sex to attack like a saving up. In the air, he might get a dip. He might find a thing like a right, get a bit. He's low.
A little more. I'm not ready for being loved. I'm walking home. I'm walking home. I've never been desperate.
I wanna see you grill.
You wanna see my what?
You grill. You grill.
Aga?
Top diamond in the bottom. You got
To find someone who loves me. Yeah. I've never been there.
Ano siya pansinin?
Gago, maniking,
Mannequin, munyeka.
Gago.
be. Ayaw mo naman masyadong pansinin, no?
Hindi ako mapansin ngayong araw na.
Oo, minimal lang.
Gusto ko low-key lang. Gusto ko manipis lang tayo. Ayun.
Ay, low-key pala eh.
Enjoy mo ang bulit.
Go. Shit. Be, may mga bata. Dead ma.
Dead mo sa bus.
Parang yan ata yung ano, yung pinang-track niya. Ganyan suot. Hello everyone, for today's video we are doing something. Ang ating diver for today, snorkeling, at ang ating astronaut for today.
Guys, si pwede ba? Pwede po ito. Grabe, layo ng langoy mo.
Nahihila ako eh. Be, medyo malabo be. Ahon ka muna be. Sorry. Eh, kahit na wala akong pera eh. Ito lang. Kahit na wala pa pala. Maraming dyan iba. Eh, ganito lang. Kahit na wala pa pala.
The friends are ones who love me, yeah. I've never been there.
Ng aeroplano, baby, wag kang matakot. Ay, puto, may nakadiri.
Makailalabas ko yung akin, wala na.
Team tapa. Ayaw niya.
Isa pa nga.
Nakakalibog, grabe.
Ang sarap mambumbog.
Tumitigas ang kamao ko.
Ang sarap mambumbog.
Sige na kayo,
Naninigas ang kamao.
Kaya ko eh, kaya.
Sige, Rhea, tara o.
Wag. Away, pangit.
I have never been.
Ha? Yung?
Pag nagpa-henna tattoo.
Okay.
Alam mo, bago sana mag-swimming, sarap tayo nila. Kaso,
May tattoo ka.
wala rin akong dalang ando. Dito pa sila dito.
Ay, ala, yun nun, tawag dun. Hindi. Ano?
Para sailing. Sailing ba yun? Para sailing.
Nasa fine dining.
May dalawang klase RP kasama.
I'm finding a way. I can never do well, but I want you by my side.
Bakla naman.
What I say, I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing.
Doon. Pauwi na kami, guys. So, thank you, Simba. Simba. Bitid do kabi. Ayoko nainitan kabi kasi baka pumuti ka.
Kasi may tinako.
Oo, baka pumuti ka pag naarawang. Iba yung effect sa'yo ng araw, babaliktad. Namumuti ka pag naarawang ka.
Pwede ba pabuhat na lang nito? Nagpabuhat pa si Ma'am Ray ng pag na Yarki. Kaya ba kayo lang? Nakita ka?
Dapat to, kahit mga tigda-200 lang isang
Ngayon ma'am, ngayon.
Ma'am, nagsasuggest ka kagabi. Alam mo na kayo.
Diba? Super enjoy.
Model muna tayo sa niya. Ano ba yung video ba yan?
Oo, enjoy kami.
Super enjoyable, enjoyalistic.
Kaso hindi lang...
Nung papunta tayo, si Ryan ang nagkasal. Ngayon, si Ryan. Ang pagkanoy natin.
Isang Ryan naman ma'am. Isang Ryan din mo. Ma'am, si Marco ma'am.
Ay, ngayon, pag nagkakasala. Marco, sige na.
Angel of God.
Patalunin mo, sige na.
Sabi ni Marco, mali pala na nag-apply ako sa B2.
Pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, Espiritu Santo. Panginoon Diyos, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsama mo sa amin. Maraming salamat sa pangalan ni Jesus.
Amen.
Very good.
Ingat sa atin.
Well said.
1 out of 5. 1 out of 10.
Hindi.
Feedback po.
Oh, 1 to 5. Anong,
Four.
ano nyo? Anong rate nyo dun sa ano natin?
4 out of
Sa outing ngayon?
4.
Ah,
4 out of 5.
okay.
4. Pero
Hindi kasi, magpapapfeedback tayo kay Kla. Para, may ano naman.
ano ma'am?
Suwi na kami.
Very good.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog to the point that I could be a father to my own son.
Ano nalaman ng father mo? Hindi ba mother yun, babe?
Malibreng.
Akala ko ba trans ka?
Maganda ma'am, ang laki ng price niya.
Taka ng feedback ko, 4 out of 5. Kasi pag 5, baka lumaki yung mga ulo niya. Kailangan may konting flaws pa rin. 4 out of 5.
Alam mo, dapat 5 out of 5 yun, pero dahil dun sa macaroni, 4 out of 5 na lang. Hindi ko gusto yung macaroni.
Yung macaroni lang hindi niya. Oo, medyo... Sa staff, mga mabait sila, accommodating naman. Tapos, malakas yung tubig. Pero nung pauwi na kami, hininaan nila. Ewan ko dyan. Lakas ng aircon. Charis. It's worth it yung place. Tapos yung unexpected, yung may DJ nung gabi na nakadagdagin sa ano. Tapos wala kami ginasa sa ano to eh. Bukod pa yung stab for drinks. Tapos may bukod pang ano drinks na laro sila no para lang manalo.
Pero ang goal namin dyan, hindi para manalo. Para yung matitira nung sasali, sa amin mapupunta, sa baso namin mapupunta.
Oo. True. Pero ayun, makalibre kami drinks. So, chugs. Yun lang guys, thank you guys for watching this video.
Yes, we are editing our video right now. So that you can make our country not
Just a better place but the best place to live in.